Who said you can't do your makeup if you're a mum? Who said it has to look bad if you've only got 5 minutes? It wasn't me. It wasn't Auntie T. So come in, take a seat, and let's go through how I make my makeup look beautiful in only a few minutes. So I'm about to show you how to use just a few products to make yourself look glam in the summer or when you're hot, going through the hot flashes of menopause, whatever it may be. Okay. If you get hot on a regular basis, or you just hate the feeling of your makeup being sticky or tacky or anything like that, then this video is for you. So we are going for minimal here, honey. So we're going with the Nude Sticks concealer, and instead of applying it right under your eye, we're going to apply it just here and then blend it out and up, because that is going to stop the appearance of creasing and cakiness under the eyes. This one is Nude Sticks shade 5. So once we've applied it, I'm just going to blend it out literally just with my fingertip, and that is it, because I feel like when you're using your fingers over like a brush, it gives a much more natural finish and gets in everywhere. So that way it isn't going to look as crazy. Like honestly, just look at the difference already. Awake, dead, alive. Same with the other side. So you know the drill, just a tiny bit of concealer and blend it out with your finger. But I do recommend the Nude Sticks one because it's so light. You don't feel like you're wearing anything. It's amazing. Immediately, I've gone from dead to resuscitated with one product, but we've still got a few more to go. Next, I'm using the Morphe Shape Lifter Contour Stick in shade Sculpted. This actually is a new one. They released it on the 10th of July, I think, so last month. It's amazing. I know I say it about everything, but it really is gorgeous. And to be honest, the reason that I do say everything is amazing in the videos I use is because I only buy things or use things in videos that are amazing. Apply some contour to each side of my nose, but I don't take it all the way up because I'm going to get a brush and blend it up. I'm going to apply a tiny bit here and here, and maybe at the sides there. I am also going to apply a tiny bit to my forehead there and the side of my cheeks, because who doesn't love a bit of cheek contour and just overall face shaping? I feel like I know I've got a really fat face, but we're not fat shaming here. We're happy in our body. I'm going to blend the face parts like the forehead and the cheeks first, because I'm using a bigger brush. I should really be moving my hair out of the way when I'm doing this, but because I'm only doing like a little look how I do this video, I'm not gonna, because ain't nobody got time for that. Then I'm going to take an angled brush. This is a Morphe E62, and just blend out the sides of my nose. And like I said before, I'm just going to take it up into the brow bone here. Shockingly, I think my contour on especially the nose has come out way better not looking in a mirror than it does looking in a mirror. Like, it looks better when I'm looking through my camera than it does in a mirror. And it actually looks the same in real life, so I don't know what's going on there. Anyway, it's besides the point. That is all we do for the contour of the nose and the cheeks and the forehead and wherever else you want to contour. Next, we're using the Maybelline Sky High mascara. This is the first time I'm trying it this week, and let me tell you, as a girl with super short, so straight lashes, it is near impossible to get them to curl in any way or even look like slightly lifted, or just finding a mascara that actually makes them look nice instead of just disgusting. So disgusting. We found this one. That is one coat. Like, are you for real? Are you even for real? What? The way it just coats every single lash as well is absolutely amazing. Like, I've never known my lower lashes to look this long. And some of you might be, well, that's not long, but it is to me, so Next, we're using the Morphe Micro Manager Gripping Brow Gel. And I'm literally just gonna brush them through my brows. My brows need doing. Please don't, spend so much of your energy leaving comments about my eyebrows, because I don't care. I know they need doing. I know I have ones that need to be plucked underneath. Do I care? No. Next, you're going to want to use a lip liner that isn't going to budge anywhere. So I recommend the Huda Beauty Lip Contour Stains. Any shade will do. I'm using Cinnamon. Then you want to find something that pairs perfectly with your lip liner. In this case, I'm going for the NARS Power Matte Lipstick in shade Mogador, whichever one it is. And there we go, all finished. Summer glam that is quick, easy, and isn't budging anywhere, not going anywhere. Save this and thank me later. Mwah. Bye boo.